Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload 2 new videos per week, so now is a great time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. Happy Valentine's Day! I hope you are all having a great Valentine's Day, being showered with all the love you deserve. So of course I gotta try something kind of themed today. And what is more Valentine's Day appropriate than pink? And I'm gonna try this TAZO rose pink latte. This is my first time ever buying like a concentrate like this, but I've been seeing people here and there posting about it, and I just was so intrigued. When I saw it at Target, I just decided it's time to give it a try. This is TAZO Rose Pink Latte, and on the front it says, "Get rosy with a luscious blend of pink rose petals and calming chamomile flowers. Blend with milk and enjoy hot or iced." And it's an herbal tea, so no caffeine in this guy. So the ingredients are an infusion of water, chamomile flowers, rose petals, passion flowers, and then cane sugar, absorbic acid, which is vitamin C, vegetable juice for color, and citric acid. So it's weird to see like those kinds of acids in this, because usually I review just like loose tea or like tea leaves in a tea bag. So it's like weird to see those things, but I don't think it's anything like to be alarmed by. I don't think it's anything like weird. I think it's just like the nature of like buying a drink that's already a drink and not something you steep. And then here on the back, there's some brewing instructions and like a little description. It says, "We've got our own thing brewing. We're on a quest to be the most unexpected tea makers. We're always curious, always questioning, what's this flavor? What's this aroma? We love to dive in and stir things up. We're half curious kid, half intrepid explorer, half undaunted alchemist." Yes, 1.5. That spirit, we bring it to tea. We do it through unexpected blends with a twist so you can taste the vibrant, undiscovered flavors the world has stashed away. That's all really interesting, but like I've had tea with chamomile and rose before. Like I've had a herbal tea like that before. I don't know what other things TAZO has, but I'm definitely interested to look on their website. Ooh, and then here on the side, I just think it's so pretty, the picture on here. It's this beautiful pink latte with like rose petals around it, and then it goes over to the side of the carton. So gorgeous. Everything's coming of roses with this radiant blend of pink rose petals and soothing chamomile flowers. This lush floral infusion is as delightful as a surprise day off on a warm spring day. Daydreams not included, but strongly encouraged. Oh, that's so cute. I always think of teas with chamomile and rose like a sleeping beauty tea, because the chamomile is like, you know, relaxing. A lot of people drink it before bed. I'm one of those people. And then rose, I just think of like Briar Rose, Sleeping Beauty. All right, let's smell it. Oh, it smells really weird. It smells like vegetable juice and rose. Very powerful, but it is a concentrate after all. And I have this glass cup I'm gonna use. And then I actually went ahead and steamed up some oat milk because I wanna do this as a hot latte. I probably should have heated the milk with the concentrate though. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll put some in my frother and like heat it up a little more. So maybe I can even get some pink foam. But let's like pour a little bit into our cup and see like how it looks. So here's the color of it. It is kind of a pinky color. I wonder if the vegetable juice is beetroot juice, because beetroot adds such a gorgeous pink to a tea. So I'm thinking that might be what that is. Let's put like a little bit of milk to see how it affects the color. Oh my God, that's pretty. It's like a dusty pink. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna put like a little more tea, a little more milk. It just says to shake the carton and mix equal parts of rose latte concentrate with any milk or milk substitute and heat on the stove or in the microwave, or simply pour it over ice for an iced latte. I'm gonna put like that, and then I'll put our milk. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this to my milk and maybe put like a little more milk and put it back on the frother to heat up. All right, so I stuck this guy in the microwave for 30 seconds just to make sure it's nice and warm. And I heated and attempted to froth this guy, but didn't really get any foam, but that's all right. Let's go ahead and pour that in. I have a little more than I needed, which is nice. So here is our final latte. I'm surprised it's not like more pink. Like it almost has like a light brown, like milk tea kind of look. Like either way, it's pretty. It's like a dusty kind of pink. It's interesting. So let's go ahead and take a sip and see how it tastes, because that's the most important part after all. It's nice. It's like a rose milk kind of thing. I don't know if I taste the chamomile. See, I don't drink a lot of lattes, so I don't know if this would be like my first choice of thing to have, I guess. But it's really nice. It does have a nice like rosy flavor. That being said, I do kind of taste like a vegetable juice kind of component, like that I smelled in here. Like the smell is really powerful, and the smell kind of like turns me off actually, like because I smell the rose, but also like that vegetable juice is so strong. Like why would they add so much when they could have just done like a beetroot or something? Like, I mean, it might be beets. I guess that's information we'll have to find on their website, hopefully, but I mean, you taste it a little bit, like it almost tastes like if you put milk into your apple juice. Like there is like a tiny vibe like that. But then also the rose is nice. Yeah, overall, I don't think I would really like recommend this. Like I don't think I'd like crave this and like want this. I'll definitely finish what I have and maybe make like a cute version of it or an iced one for my husband for Valentine's Day. I mean, if you like rose, you'd probably like it, but there's like a weird like acidic sort of note from that concentrate. And the color is not really what I was hoping. Like, look at that latte in the picture. That's like pink as heck. And then look in real life. That's what we have. So maybe I put too much milk, I don't know. But either way, it's not really living up to my expectation. I would rather go get a boba milk tea with rose syrup. I love that. That used to be my go-to. Like every time we'd go get boba, I'd get rose milk tea, and I loved that. And I'd rather have that than this because the rose syrup is so like flavorful, and then it's just like regular probably oolong tea with milk and the tapioca pearls. I would rather have something like that. Maybe I'd like this better iced. Yeah, I don't know. I wish it was more rosy or even more chamomile and rose. I want to look at their website and see what it says. You know what? There actually isn't any more information on the website really than there is on the container. There are reviews though, and it says, "Know this amazing blend," and it just has like some of the ingredients. So it has rose petals, and it says a sweet floral delight. Then it has the chamomile and says a mellow sweetness from little daisy-like flowers. So that's like a little bit. And then there's the steeping instructions. And also like, I'm like, oh, maybe I put too much milk and that's why it doesn't look so pink. But I'm kind of skimming through the reviews. I don't normally read the reviews because I like to like form my own opinion. But since I already like did, I'm kind of looking through the reviews. And it seems like everybody's had kind of an experience like I have. Here's how it looks in a picture that someone included in their review. So it looks about the same as mine. So that's good at least. At least I didn't like do it wrong. But some people have commented on the smell, that it smells really strong and not good, and there's just like a hint of rose. And honestly, like, I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it, but there was something about, I'm pretty sure it's the vegetable juice that does it. It almost tastes like a carrot juice, you know, like it has a weird note. Whereas like if I just took chamomile flowers, rose petals, and maybe a little bit of beetroot to add color, steeped it really long, and then made that into a latte, that would be perfect. And it would taste probably a lot better. So this was my first tea concentrate I bought, and I can't honestly picture myself buying it again. Again, it's not terrible, but it's just not, I feel like I could have made something better myself. But then again, there are people that probably wouldn't have thought to make something like this themselves. So I guess if tea is reaching more people, then that's great. So I want to look at what other concentrates TAZO has, or TAZO. Ooh, ginger lime Moscow mule. They have a London fog, berry hibiscus margarita, golden turmeric latte, chai of course, vanilla caramel chai latte, matcha latte, iced peachy green concentrate, and that looks like all. And of course they have just like teas as well. But you know, like when I read on the back of the container where it says like, we love to dive in and stir things up. We do it through unexpected blends with a twist so you can taste the vibrant, undiscovered flavors the world has stashed away. I look at like chai latte, vanilla caramel chai, peach green, and I'm like, those aren't, in my opinion, as a person who has tried a lot of pretty unique teas, you know, not to brag, but I've tried a lot of weird teas, a lot of unique teas. Some I love, some not so much, but I don't see this as living up to those words. Like maybe this one in particular might be kind of unusual, but everything I looked at as far as the concentrates. So I hope you guys enjoyed my look at TAZO's Rose Pink Latte. I don't think I would call this my cup of tea. It wouldn't be like what I would want to drink on Valentine's Day. I'd rather just have like a tea that I made myself with rose. But that being said, I'm glad I got to try like something kind of like romance themed, like a little bit, you know, Valentine's-y for Valentine's Day. So if you made it all the way through this video, let me know how you plan to celebrate tonight for Valentine's Day, or if you're watching this after Valentine's Day, what did you end up doing? Of course, I'm filming this a little bit before Valentine's Day, but I think we're getting deep dish pizza, so that'll be really exciting. That's what we did for New Year's too. You know, like while we're in this pandemic, even though like some of the mitigations have lifted, we're not going out to eat indoors until we're vaccinated. So we're just gonna go pick up a deep dish, probably watch Harry Potter because that's all we really do these days. So that's our big plans for the big day. So let me know what you guys are doing. Doubt it could be more romantic than that. I hope you and all of your loved ones are staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having the perfect Valentine's Day and a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.